What's the meaning of con sordino? Con sordino. Con sordino.
Con sordino. Con sordino. Con sordino is an Italian musical term that means with mute. When a musician plays with a mute, it reduces the volume and changes the tone quality of the instrument. The mute is commonly used in orchestral music for string instruments, such as the violin or cello, to create a softer, more muted sound. It is also used in brass and woodwind instruments, like the trumpet or clarinet, to produce a more muffled or veiled sound. Overall, playing con sordino creates a unique timbre that can add subtle shading and colorful nuances to a musical performance.